IPL is big, but maybe the World Cup is the biggest thing that you can achieve or get, when it comes to being a cricketing nation. So it was a saying where you can say, okay, now we don't want to watch anything for a while. What we wanted was the World Cup and we have got it. So I think you'll see people getting back to it, and this year you will see a remarkable increase in the TRP ratings and also the fans coming on the field. Bhaji is a fighter, he's someone who loves challenges. In adverse conditions we have seen him perform really well, both with the bat and the ball. So I think he's good as a skipper and he brings value to the side. So I think it will be good for them, but please don't take it in a negative sense that I mean, when Sachin was there, it was not good. Of course, Sachin Tendulkar is, one of my favorite cricketers, and I think Chennai really loves him. So they'll be looking forward for tomorrow's game. He gets the best ovation out here, and the people just love him perform. Love to see him perform. Firepower that we have got in our batting, that really cushions our bowling also. So we can't really take it out of the play. It has been a good ground for us, because the conditions, they really suited us. The wicket was very good in the sense, there was enough turn for the spinners, but yet it was good for stroke play. During the course of the tournament, the behavior of the wickets will change and we'll have to adapt according to the changes that come through. As far as defending champions is concerned, we never take pressure in the sense, we take pride in our performance. We don't always weigh it as quantity, as this is what we need to do. It's never about I, me, myself, whoever you talk to. So that's our strength. And as far as the championship is concerned, I feel all the teams are very strong, especially after the recent auction. What has happened is the strength of all the teams have increased, according to whatever they needed. They bought players to supplement it. So I think all the sides are good sides, and what's important is how you play on that particular day. We don't think about the result, and it's a longish tournament. We are playing for close to 50 days, and which means targeting the result right from the start will be something that's very difficult. I am growing it back, not to the extent that I had when I started off my career, but certainly I'll have a bigger length, and in the next few months. So if everyone fulfills the roles and responsibilities, the job becomes slightly easy, not only for me, for the coach, the support staff, and it becomes good for the fan following. So I think it has not much to do with the hair. It's all about the players that we have got.